Today we're gonna make this super easy recipe, seared tuna. My favorite. To get started on making our seared tuna, we're gonna make our marinade. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're gonna do a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna whisk this together. And I'm just gonna take a little salt and pepper and season both sides of our tuna steaks. And then I'm gonna put it right here in the marinade. Flipping that. And you need to marinate it for about 15 minutes before searing it. So if you're doing like a nice summer cookout, marinate this inside while you're getting all your other side dishes ready, which you could check out my website for tons of side dishes to cook with this tuna. So we're gonna let this marinate, we're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna go sear it on the grill. So we're gonna turn on our skillet. Flat top, nice and hot. I'm just gonna put a little olive oil down. I'm gonna take the tuna that's been marinating. I'm gonna put some sesame seeds. It's gonna go right down on the grill. So depending on how you like your tuna, I like it pretty rare, so I just did a little cooking on the edge of each one of our steaks. I wanna flip it. Get a nice sear on either side, and then we're gonna slice it up. So we cooked our tuna. They look great. So I'm just gonna slice these. Okay, that's fine. Tuna is one of my favorite fish. I love it rare like this. It looks so good. It's such a healthy meal, easy to cook. I have tons of recipes on my website for you to make with the tuna. Delicious. Just gonna drizzle a little sesame oil on top. Some chives. Look at that. This recipe is ready. For this recipe and tons of others, check out my website, nikkigleckis.com. Can't wait to try it.